Good day everyone, this is our video presentation and from BITME 2G, and I am Jerwin Ocasito.
I am Christopher Oglapano, and we decided to pick this image. And this is the cover plate with 100 diameter and 13 mm thickness. It has also 16 holes with 10 diameter. And the center hole is 75 diameter. And this is the gasket with 3 mm thickness, and it has also a 60 diameter.
And this is the base plate, have a height of 65 mm, and they are the 8 holes, 17 mm deep, and every thread, the distance of the thread is 1.25. And in the base plate, the center hole of 60 mm and deep of 45 mm. And this hole have a 20 diameter and 20 height. Og mao ni siya ang screw na gamiton para ma-fix ang kaning gikan sa kaniyang cover plate sa gasket and base plate. Kailangan siya mao ni siya gamiton na bolt para ma-fix ni siya. Naiwalo ka bolt, nakitas on og 30. Then
That's all. Thank you.